Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national fruit?
Mango.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national tree?
Banyan tree.
Which is our national game?
Hockey.
Which is our national river?
Ganga.
Name some actions we do.
Reading.
Reading.
Reading. Writing. Laughing.
Name some colors.
Orange. Green. Yellow. Blue. Pink.
Name some indoor games.
Dodo. Chess. Second ladder.
Cricket.
Cricket. Carom.
Name some outdoor games.
Cricket. Football. Hockey. Volleyball. Kabaddi.
Name some classroom objects.
Chalkies. Duster. Table. Pencil.
Name some fruits.
Mango. Banana. Grapes. Watermelon. And cauliflower.
What is the color of crow?
Black.
What is the color of sky? Prime Minister of India. Chief Minister of Karnataka. Finance Minister.
Sitaram.